What are the factors to be considered regarding the decision regarding the type of modified opinion? What are the factors to be considered that as to which type of modified opinion will be appropriate? As you're aware, there are three types of modified opinion: qualified opinion, adverse opinion, disclaimer opinion. So, what are the factors which governs the auditor's decision regarding the type of modified opinion which will be appropriate? Now, this depends upon the following aspect. First of all, the nature of matter which is giving rise to the modification. What is the nature of matter? Whether financial statements are materially misstated, or there is a case of inability to obtain a sufficient and appropriate audit evidence. So, two aspects are there: whether financial statements are materially misstated and whether there is an inability to obtain a sufficient and appropriate audit evidence. So, and because of this, what will happen? The financial statement may be materially misstated. And also the auditor's judgment about the pervasiveness of the possible effects of the matter in the financial statement. It also depends upon the pervasiveness of the effects of the possible effect of the matter in the financial statement. Now what happens here? So you have to look into two things. One is the nature of matter which is giving rise to the modification, and second one is the pervasiveness effects or the possible effect of such pervasiveness on the financial statement. So this will affect what type of opinion you are giving. So for example, the financial statements are materially misstated and it is material but not pervasive. Financial statements are materially misstated but it is material and not pervasive. Then you have to give a qualified opinion. Second situation, the financial statements are materially misstated and the misstatement is what you can say material but and pervasive. It is both material and pervasive. Then you have to give a adverse opinion. And then if the financial statements, what you can say, there may be undetected material misstatement because the sufficient and appropriate audit evidence may not be available. Now this situation, the misstatement here, what happens? It could be undetected misstatement, could be material and not pervasive. If it is not pervasive, then you have to give a qualified opinion. Where SAI is not available and this gives rise to undetected misstatement in the financial statement which is material and pervasive, then you have to give a disclaimer of an opinion. This is how you take a decision as to what type of opinion to be given. It depends upon the nature of the matter which is giving rise to the modification, whether it is financial statements are materially misstated or whether inability to obtain the SAI which makes the financial statement materially misstated. The second thing is that the auditor's judgment about the pervasiveness of the effect or possible effect of the matter in the financial statement. If it is what you can say, there are material misstatement but they are material and not pervasive, qualified opinion. But if it is material and pervasive, then it will be adverse opinion. Suppose says the sufficient and appropriate audit evidence is not available, but it is material and not pervasive, means qualified opinion. But if it is material and pervasive, then it is a disclaimer of an opinion. Fine. We'll see the next video. Thank you.